morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, Life with Patty. Here we are in the kitchen. It's been a minute or two since we've been in the kitchen, I feel like. And so today I'm getting ready to head out to work, but I'm going to stick something in the crock pot here real quick so that when I get home tonight, boom, it's all ready to go. You know me, I love the crock pot recipes. Let me tell you, I got this recipe from my good friend Jan over at Jan from New York City who saves money. Now, she puts on new recipes every Sunday. And this recipe is called chicken and sweet potato stew. I love chicken and I love sweet potatoes. I love potatoes, period. And even though I am trying to watch what I eat, I, eat in portion control, and that's a big important part of it. So, I will treat myself with potatoes and sweet potatoes and chicken tonight for dinner. So let's get started. I've got everything kind of ready to go. So I thought I'd put it into the crock pot with all of you here. So the first thing it calls for is 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Okay, I thought when I bought this that it had 4, but it only had 3. It's no big deal. Actually, it's better for us because there's only the 2 of us, and that way we'll have leftovers for maybe one lunch for my husband or me. All right, I'm going to put this in the sink and go wash my hands, and I'll be right back. All right, the next, there you are, sorry. The next thing it calls for is 2 medium sweet potatoes, peeled and cubed. Okay, I did not have time this morning it actually didn't say peeled in the recipe that Jan gave me. I had put that because I did know I'm gonna love this recipe, and I put it in my little personal cookbook that I write out myself. I wanted to peel them, but I simply do not have the time today. And like I said, on Jan's recipe, it wasn't even in the recipe. So we are just going to go with them being not peeled. Okay. I bought sweet potatoes a couple of weeks ago, and I was just thinking to myself, I need to get these potatoes. These look in really good shape. They're not soft whatsoever. Sweet potatoes are kind of tough to cut sometimes. Maybe I should have done that before before I started the video, but oh well. I absolutely love sweet potatoes. I love sweet potato casserole. I love sweet potatoes just by themselves with butter and salt and pepper. I love sweet potato fries. I love sweet potato mash. Needless to say, I love sweet potatoes. 2 sweet potatoes is a lot. What's your guys' weather like at your house? Believe it or not, it's fall here. So the mornings are very chilly here, between 40s and 50s. Even a couple mornings it was in the 30s. But then by afternoon it's 80, 81 degrees. Today's supposed to be a high of 79. So it's like you gotta wear a sweater to work. And then you go to lunch and it's warm, and then you come home and the sun's down and it's cold again. So I don't know. Okay, now it calls for 2 large, like russet potatoes, any kind of potatoes you want. I didn't have any large ones, I just had these small ones. So I put several in here, but now I see how much sweet potatoes we have in here. I really don't think I need a whole lot of these potatoes. And if you didn't even have these potatoes and you just had the sweet potatoes, I think it would be more than enough. But I do have a few of these little ones, so I'm going to chop them up and put them in there. One more small one in there. Alright, let me get this out of my way. Alright, on we go. The next thing it calls for is 1 can, 28 ounces of diced tomatoes or stewed tomatoes. Oh, this is 14 ounces. And you know what I was wondering? I was thinking, I don't think that's enough. So hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, well, this is why you have a good stocked pantry. When things like this happen, no problem. Just go back to the pantry, get another can. So I'm going to put 2 of these 14-ounce cans of diced tomatoes into the crock pot. And like I said, it called for stewed tomatoes, whole stewed tomatoes, but I like the diced ones better. So I always tweak my recipes. I never make them exactly like how they tell you to make them. Then it says 1 cup of chicken broth. And I'm probably going to put 2 of these canfuls in here. Maybe not, we'll see. Nope, I think just 1 is fine. Put away. Okay. Next it says 1 teaspoon of salt. I am going to measure for this. And 1 teaspoon of paprika. I love paprika. I love paprika and everything. It's a great spice. 1 teaspoon, it says celery seeds. Folks, I don't have celery seeds here. I have celery salt, so that's what we're going to use today. I'm sure the celery seeds made it a little bit different. I don't know if it would or not, but 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And I will pin this in my comments. I will pin the recipe in my comments, so it will be the first recipe when you see the comments, okay? 1/8 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 1/8, what the heck? We're gonna use 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. There we go. And we're gonna use 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. And then it had called for 1 cup of fresh basil chopped up, and I do not have that. So I'm going to put about a tablespoon of dried basil in there. And that is it, folks. We are going to turn it on now and let it do its magic. On low for 6 to 8 hours is what it calls for. Where's my lid? Turn it on, the temperature is low. And we're going to put it on for 8 hours, okay? All right, I'm going to go to work. When I come home, we're going to have dinner all ready to go, and I will be back to share it with you. Bye, guys. Guys, I don't know how I forgot this, but I forgot it calls for 2 to 3 sliced carrots, and I just completely forgot. But I don't have sliced carrots today. I don't have whole carrots. I just have a package of these small carrots, and this package is 2 pounds. So I'm not going to put the whole thing in there. I can't believe I forgot that. But I am going to put about half the package in there. So about a pound of carrots. Or if you get one of those small bags of carrots, that's fine. Or like it says, just a couple whole carrots, you know, sliced up. All right. I did not want to forget the carrots. I love cooked carrots, so I can't believe I did that. Okay, you guys, now I'm going to go off to work, okay? Okay, see you guys in a little bit. Hi guys, I'm back, and it's time to check the crock pot and see how everything turned out. Before we do that though, I do want to apologize. This morning I previewed my video and I noticed there was a really bad glare on the video, but I can't change that because I can't redo that part of the video. So I do apologize for the glare that we had this morning. Alright, let's get to looking at this crock pot. I haven't opened it since I got home, so I'm going to tilt the camera down so you can see what's inside the crock pot and how it looks, okay? Alright. Having difficulties with my tripod there for a minute. Alright. And as you saw this morning, I had forgot about the carrots till the very end, but they look fine. Everything looks good. Alright, we're going to dig down and get us some chicken out of here. There it is. Alright. And then we're going to find us some sweet potatoes and some carrots and a little bit of the regular potatoes, the russet potatoes. There it is. There's lots of juice in here. I'm glad I only put the 1 cup of chicken stock in there. All right, let's check it out. Let this cool down a little bit. Chicken just broke right apart, no problem. Wonderful flavor. I can taste the cinnamon and the nutmeg in there for sure. Let's try this sweet potato. Everything is very good. Very, very good. I love baby carrots. Cooked. Not so much raw. I will eat them raw, but I like them cooked. All right, folks. Everything turned out delicious. And what's my dad say? Delicious and nutritious. This is the regular russet potato. I'm going to give this a thumbs up. Jan from New York City, thank you so much for this recipe. Go check out Jan from New York City, who likes to save money. And she's got a great channel about budgeting. And she does some surprise upload bonus videos, such as her Sunday recipes. They're usually a recipe that can be made for, you know, a frugal amount of money, because her channel is about saving money. And so go check her out. And Jan, we love our chicken and sweet potato stew. I guess it does look like a stew. And we're going to go enjoy dinner. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you back here again tomorrow. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.